Hey y'all, I thought I would just come on quickly and show you my beautiful new Optimum blender that I'm already in love with. I just purchased it and it was delivered yesterday, so I'm putting it to good use and showing you one of my great anti-inflammatory smoothies that is one of my favorites, and really great for soothing any kind of inflammation in the body. If you're wanting to rest your digestive system, now being at home is the perfect time to be doing that, because you have access to, you know, smoothie machines, NutriBullets, whatever you have at home. So we definitely have the convenience now. So I'm making a smoothie for it too. I'm going to show you what I put in mine. So right now I have 2 bananas in there. They were quite ripe. And what I'm going to do is just add some almond milk to that. Just eyeballing it too. No particular measurement. So that is a good amount. Pretty generous. Okay, always loving to add protein. I've got a vegan plant-based protein. You can use whatever protein you like. I like the vegan plant-based. So this is a salted caramel flavor, which I'm getting everywhere. Extra cleaning, all good. There we go. I also like to add collagen. This is my particular favorite. Collagen has the added benefit of glycine and proline. Glycine is really great for liver detoxification. And then collagen, I actually had a question the other day. If it becomes straight collagen in your body purely because you're eating the collagen, so what it does is it actually provides the nutrients that build your own collagen, because as you get older, your body, after the age of, in your 20s actually, your body stops creating as much collagen as it did in your youth. So always good to be topping that up in a diet. My favorite bit, the antioxidants. I've got some frozen blueberries, which is going to make it add the great antioxidants. And also the icy effect. Just going to use my hands. Again, you know, you can just be really relaxed about it, don't stress about it, just order as much as you like. I'm going to finish the packet. There we go. Here we go. And to this, I'm going to add some turmeric. This is the magic anti-inflammatory component. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon in there because it's for 2 people. So turmeric is great for reducing inflammation in the body. It's great for liver, the gallbladder health as well. So I try to include turmeric in my day, each day. That's how good it is. So also some cinnamon. Cinnamon helps to balance blood sugar, and also after training it works like almost like insulin. It actually helps to shuttle glucose into your blood where it should be, and into your muscles and liver and all the organs that the sugar should be, instead of just running around in the blood. So it's great to help reduce blood sugar levels. And then I've got my medjool dates, which are my favorite dates. I'm just going to throw them in. I've taken the seeds out. I'm going to add 2 dates, like so. And the last ingredient, one of my faves, is raw maca. Maca has great benefits for healing, and also it's a great adaptogen, so it helps the body adapt to stress, which we may be under more of these days, less of. You can gauge that and add as much as you want. Well, I'm going to add about a teaspoon. It's for 2 of us. And I'm just gonna blitz this away. First time making a smoothie in this, so pop the lid on, hopefully it doesn't get flying everywhere. Okay, let's do this. Smoothie. Wow, check out that smoothness. That looks so good. Whoops. I'm going to be more generous with the second one. Beautiful. There we go. Cheers to good health and anti-inflammatory healthy living.